and thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be looking at tech tips. We're going to be looking at a specific tech tip called print titles, and we're going to find this on the page layout tab in our ribbon. But what we want to do first is take a look at what the print titles will do. If we go to File and then go to Print, notice here that in this particular worksheet I have 9 pages, and you can see here on the left there's the employee ID and the last name of the employee. But when we go to the next page, you can see that here we have columns of information that are not identified. We do not have the column headers, nor do we have row headers. The way to fix this is to go to the page layout view and then click on Print Titles. With Print Titles, we have this dialog box that offers the option of where to set your print titles. And notice that we have rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. I'm going to click here to select rows to repeat at top, and then I'm going to select row number 1. When I select back in here, I'm going to select columns to repeat at left, and in this case, instead of selecting column A, which is the employee ID, I'm going to select column B, which is the employee's last name. Now when I say OK, I can head back over to File and take a look at Print Preview. And now here we see that page 1, but now on page 2, you can see I have the column headers and I have the information associated with the employee's last name, which you can see here. And that repeats on every page thereafter. And that's how to use print titles in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please leave us a comment and join us on all our social media channels.